Alright, if you've wanted to learn JavaScript but got lost in jargon, this is your simple roadmap. Step 1. Set up fast. Install Chrome, install VS Code, add live server. Create a folder, make index.html, make style.cs, make script.js, link CSS and JS open with live server. Step 2. Learn the language, not the lingo. Variables, types, operators. Let const numbers, strings, booleans, basic math. Conditionals and loops. If-else for while, print 1 to 10. Functions are superpowers. Add 2 numbers. Capitalize a name. Reuse your code. Step 3. The DOM. Document.querySelector. Change text content, add click event, make a button. Do something. Step 4. Project small and fast. Counter with plus and minus. To do with add and delete. Color picker that changes the background. Rule. If it takes more than 2 hours, cut scope. Step 5. Data from the web. Fetch an API, JSON placeholder, Pokey API, render 3 items. Step 6. Modules and organization. Split code into files. 1 for DOM. 1 for logic. 1 for API calls, clean code, chew, clear mind. Step 7. Async thinking. Async await, try, catch, show loading show, data handle errors. Daily routine. 45 minutes code, 15 minutes review, 3 days a week, build 1 day, refactor, 1 day, watch a quality tutorial and recreate it from memory. Cheat sheets beat memory, keep a notes.md, your personal standard library. When stuck, reduce the problem log values, ask 1 clear question, use MDN first, then Stack Overflow. Milestones, week 1, DOM app, week 2, fetch app, week 3, local storage to save data. Week 4, a polished mini project in a GitHub repo with a live demo. After that, pick one React basics, Node basics. Don't do both at once. Depth beats scatter. Most important, ship weekly. Post a short demo video and a link. Feedback is your accelerator. You don't need talent, you need reps. Follow this roadmap for 4 weeks, and your JavaScript won't feel scary. It'll feel useful. Let's build.